Hello. Let me hope we are live and clear. Let me hope you are live. We are live and clear. Invite your friend and we learn together. Emaradi, my business name. Yeah, you call me Emaradi. Concerning about market analysis. Hey, oh, we are still leading. I think as you can be able, as you have been seeing our results, how we have been performing. Yeah, every Monday we normally share with you how we perform throughout the week, and currently we are making it. Okay, we are making it. Just if you're interested, please, our number is always on the description of the videos, and you can get our number from there, and we talk business. Concerning about market analysis, there we go. Concerning about trading, there we go. Concerning about Royal, there we go. Concerning about Binance, there we go. And all other exchanges. If you want to understand anything concerning about crypto, then we are ready to serve you. I think let us move on together, and we learn together, and we see how we can simply make money from crypto trading. There we go. So, ladies and gentlemen, yesterday I shared with you a coin. It was called which coin? Let me see. Yeah, this is the coin that I shared with you yesterday. I think it is called, it is called Lunan. Yes, you can have it. This was it. As we can be able to look at it, let us first switch off the indicators. This was the coin. So we did analysis together yesterday, and we realized that this coin had changed. Yes, it had changed. When you switch on to 1 hour, you can definitely see that at least this coin is in uptrend. Why? This was the supply level, as you can be able to see. This was our supply level. Are we together? Now, previously, this was our demand level. Are we together? This is a discount. This is the supply, and this is discount. Now the coin was coming back at this point to test the supply, the discount. Though we have another discount here, because behind it is where it is coming from. Let me show you. Okay, it is coming this side. You can see where the market started from to move up. You get the point. So this is another discount, and this is another discount. Therefore, this market was paused to come back and test either this discount or this discount. Are we together? So therefore, the market respected this area between the two discount levels, and it went back up to this level. You see the point? You see where it moved? It moved all the way from here, then it respected the resistance. It closed above the resistance. Then we looked into the trend, and we find out that it is going to first hit this target, and there it can definitely gain more energy, where it can definitely do what? Move up. Are we together? So therefore, we shared this coin to trade it on spot and on futures trading, and it was perfect successful. We really enjoyed the market. So therefore, that was it, and I believe you enjoyed, my people. Let us keep winning together. I know in crypto there is money. Yes, you need just what you need. It is to learn. But most of people, you guys, you don't want to learn. I don't know why, but without knowing anything about crypto, then don't expect to make money. So let us look at the mother coin, which is Bitcoin, and we can see how it is moving. Yeah, we can see how it is moving. Okay, we can see how it is moving. This is the Bitcoin on 4 hours. This is the Bitcoin on 4 hours. So when you look at this coin, we had predicted that this coin called Bitcoin is going to drop up to this level altogether, and we still have another level down. Okay, so this was the point number 1. Okay, we can see market was in uptrend. After forming the highest level, it dropped to this level, it went up again, but surprisingly it dropped again, and we can see passing through this level and breaking it and closing below it. Automatically, after closing it, the Bitcoin had to drop, whereby we had even the trending line. This is the trend line. Even on the trend line, the Bitcoin tried to break it as well and closed below it. But for us, we had entered here immediately after change of character, and our stop loss was here. Then finally, the market dropped all the way from here up to the level we were predicting, because we had predicted that the Bitcoin, after changing the character, breaking the trend line, automatically it is coming to this discount level where we are expecting that the orders are pressed there. And as we can see, immediately after touching that level, it tried to push up, and at this point here, this is what we call now the lower high. Altogether, this is a lower high, this is another lower high, and here we have a lower low, then here another lower low, and here another lower low. Therefore, if we fail, for example now, if we fail, I repeat, if we fail to break here, then we are dropping to this level again. Have you copied that? If we fail to come and break this level, then we are coming down here at 84,000. Are we together, ladies and gentlemen? So what we need to do, it is to understand the trends, ladies and gentlemen. Don't trade against the trend. Okay? Don't trade against the trend. Let me show you the trends that we have. Just a minute. Just a minute, guys, and I show you. Okay, let me write it here. It is okay. Let us write it here straight away. Okay, it is here. Okay, this was the analysis we did, and this was my drawings. Let me hope you can be able to see them very well. We have downward trend, then we have uptrend, then we have sideways trend, sideways trend. So therefore, this is how the uptrend should be. Are we together? This is how the uptrend should be. It should be having, starting with her lower low, then high, then high low number 2, number 1, then higher high, then we are entering at higher low number 2. Are we together? From higher low number 1, then higher low number 2, then target, it must be the middle line. Are you seeing? This parallel channel is having the middle line. So when we are trading, we can always enter from the higher low number 2 and we target the middle line. Now here it is 9% altogether. But remember, when we are in uptrend, I think it would be advisable for you to trade only 2 times, 1 and 2. Then there we are done. In a downtrend, it is the same way. We wait the change of character. Even here, this was the change of character because this was lower low, and from there this was the lower high, then from there this was the higher low. Because this low or higher low failed to break off this one, instead it moved up and closed above the change of character, whereby it gives us energy, it gives us confirmation that this market is going in an uptrend. Why? It has changed the direction by showing you what we call the change of character. Ladies and gentlemen, after breaking the change of character, we drop down up to the higher low automatically. That is where we enter from, like here, and we are targeting the middle line, whereby that is around 7 to 9%. It is free money. But you know, guys, you don't want to learn. That is the challenge we have, that you want money but you don't want to learn. But let me tell you one thing, you will never make it if you don't want to learn. If you don't want to learn crypto, don't think that you will ever make it in crypto trading. You know, in crypto trading, we can trade on a daily basis and we make money. We can hold for some time, or 1 week, or 2 weeks, or 1 month, and more, even some years. We hold some good coins, some good projects. Each coin we can put like 2k up to 10k each coin. You know, after holding like 3 to 4 projects, definitely we can collect around $80,000. We can collect $100,000 just after using not more than 15,000. Are we together, ladies and gentlemen? So you can see, in trading there is too much money, but it should be that, how am I going to make this money? You should ask yourself, how am I going to make this money? Through trading, you need skills, whereby for you, as you don't want to learn and to get skills. Are we together? With skills, you can definitely make money. Are we together? Without skill, then you have to practice, or you have to engage in holding. We have many projects that are running currently where you can definitely put money and make more money. Do you know that $500 can turn into $350 within 1 year? Within 1 month. So if you feel like using 500 to make $350 within a month, it is okay for you, please hurry up. Our number will be in the description of this video. You can contact us, and make sure when you come, make sure you have that 500, because the $500, it is the capital that we are going to use. You don't need to send anyone your money. Keep with your money and let them guide you how to use that money to multiply it 100 times, 1,000 times. Yes, if you're ready, then I'm ready too. So, out together, guys. So, that project of holding, it is still moving on. For those who are interested in being part of that group, then it is high time for you to contact us and you see what is necessary. But remember, we are going to start with $800 each member who will join that group, and we will hold as one team then we share profit as one team. Everything is transparent. We share everything in that group. Yeah. Okay. There we go. Now, this is the downtrend. The downtrend looks like this. If we now, whenever we are in a downtrend or whenever we are in a bear season, people may think that we don't make money. My dear friend, I was here in 2022. It was bear season. Market dropped, my dear friend. I was seeing with my naked eyes. Market could drop in a day. You could see Bitcoin dropping 10%. And guess what? Whenever you see Bitcoin dropping 10%, you just know the rest. They are in 50%, 30% drop. You get the point? So, the market was in downtrend and it was in bear market. But we could trade, ladies and gentlemen, and get like 1%, 1.5. The biggest percentage could be the 2% altogether. So we enjoyed the 2% from morning up to evening. Now, therefore, that's why I showed you here that even though the trend is a downtrend, but you can definitely position yourself and buy. When you buy, please take a small percentage there. You will be out. Next thing, mainly we have to short this market, okay? But remember, we do this after change of character. Now, when you observe where this was the highest level and this was the lowest level, therefore we have to wait to see whether this point will fail to come and break this level. If we fail to break this level, that is the confirmation number one. And now there, we wait for this market to drop and break this level, and where it did. Okay? After dropping and form lower low, then the next point, this market will have to come back to this level, whereby it is not in order for this market to move all the way from here and break this level. That's why when we are learning, I show you where to put stop loss. The stop loss was supposed to be on the previous lower high, because when we come all the way from lower low and break the lower high, it means that is the change of character, and that is a sure deal. The market will now raise altogether. Therefore, if I enter from here, my stop loss must be here, in that if it happens, I can simply get out from the trade as quick as possible. Then the entry number 2 is here. Then finally you are targeting the lower lows as you are moving on. Ladies and gentlemen, for more information about trade market analysis, you want to become expert in market analysis, it is high time you contact us. Oh, my God, let me write for you my number and get it from here. Then you write it very well and you contact us. Okay, we are going to start with a plus. If you are abroad, put a plus, then 25670, then you are going to put 6, then 5, then 9, 8, 8, 17. This number is on WhatsApp. You can contact us. If you are abroad, make sure you put plus 256. That is the code for Uganda. And for those who are in Uganda, you can leave plus 256 and you put 0 only. Okay? So 0 can represent the plus 256 if you are running Uganda. But if you are not in Uganda, then it is a must. You must write it in this way, plus 256. That is the code for Uganda. Then you put the number. Now, from there, you will get us on WhatsApp and you tell us what are your challenges. Have you failed to download the new Royal Chew application? Yes or no? Have you failed to make money from crypto trading? Yes or no? Have you failed to understand how to analyze the market? Yes or no? Your solutions, they are on that number. Yeah. You want to learn how to hold? You want to be part of the winning team, that group? Okay, that number will definitely help you to make you stand better, and we make money together. That's the number that we use on WhatsApp. For more information, you can definitely follow that number, save it, and check us on WhatsApp. We talk business. Concerning about crypto, you are sorted out together. So you must understand that trend before you do anything. We have only 3 trends. We have uptrend, we have downtrend, and we have rather sideways. Then we have a downtrend. And you should know, how can I trade in a downtrend? I think I have tried to explain to you when do we need to enter the market and when do we need to get out from the market while we are in a downtrend, uptrend, or sideways market. As of now, as we speak, this coin here, it is no longer in uptrend. Why? And why? When you look at this coin here, it moved all the way from here. It made a high. You can see this is its higher high. But surprisingly, you can see again this market tried to break this level here, and you can see from there that was the change of character, and it is now